Andrew Prosser, I'm the principal of Dubai Heights Academy. We're currently seated in our newly finished auditorium. We've had a fantastic AV installation by Granteq. They've installed state-of-the-art equipment that meets our needs, enables the school to grow in terms of our performance, our presentations to parents, and any other kind of on-stage based activities we need to carry out.
Granteq's Professional Services is quite pleased to have designed, installed and integrated this AV solution for this beautiful auditorium at Dubai Heights Academy. We're sure that the students and the teachers would be very pleased with the AV facilities. While Granteq continues to provide world-class solutions, we wish Dubai Heights Academy all the very best.
The implementation has been very smooth, the support we've been given has been fantastic, and the system works really, really well. I'm very, very pleased.